Yep, another one.
Another one.
What's up, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having an awesome day. So, you guys read that title correctly. We bought another car. I know. We said we would be selling cars. And then we went out and bought the Bentley. And then we got the Model 3 Performance. And we probably got another car. And now we got another supercar. And as you guys see in the title, we're replacing the Lamborghini. So now, I know months ago we were looking for the perfect Lamborghini replacement. A lot of you guys thought like, oh, this is clickbait. You're not gonna replace the Lamborghini. You're not gonna buy another supercar. Well, we did. Now, we didn't really replace the Lambo yet because we still have it, but we're gonna be selling that soon. But of course, guys, like always, when we buy a new fun car, we can't just like tell you and ruin all the fun. We gotta give you some little hints and then have you guys guess what the new car is. So that's what this video is gonna be. We're gonna give you guys a few hints, and I think you guys are gonna get it. But by the end of this video, I want you guys to comment down below what you think this supercar is that we bought, and we'll pick 3 correct winners for some JR Garage merch, shout outs, I don't know, some free giveaway prizes. So be sure to comment down below. Don't forget when I reveal the hints. But anyway, as you guys can see, I'm in an AMG. And no, we don't own an AMG. So if you guys are wondering, this car belongs to my good friend Anthony at got_AMG on Instagram. You guys have seen him all over the channel before. And he hit me up a few days ago and he's like, hey Jeff, like I'm going on vacation to Bermuda for a week. Can you babysit my car? And I said, yes. He said I can use it in videos, drive it whenever I want. So that's why I'm in it today. And I gotta say, guys, this car is an absolute monster. This 4-liter twin turbo V8. Ooh, let's put it in race mode, which is mental. Oh geez, here we go. Oh, on the brakes. Carbon ceramics. Oh my gosh, this thing is crazy. And the revs, the crackles. Insert those clips. Clutch. Okay, too much fun. Anyway, real quick, before I get into the new car and the hints, I gotta let you guys know Tesla news for all my Tesla nuts out there. 36 hours remaining before Tesla cancels free supercharging on all new car purchases. Model X, Model X, all Model 3s. Never will you get free supercharging for life again with a new Tesla purchase, unless you order within the next 36 hours using my special referral code, which will be linked down below. That'll lock you in for free supercharging for life, Model S, X, or Performance Model 3. In last video, I was doing the math, the delta between a Model 3 dual motor long range and a Model 3 dual motor performance, and I said in that video it was $11,000. Tesla actually updated the pricing. It's only $9,000 difference. So when you think about it, since you're getting free supercharging for life, if you order within the next 36 hours, you are getting a $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 value or more, depending on how much you drive the car and how long you keep it and where you live in the country. That, coupled with the fact that Model 3 Performance orders are taking priority right now, they are getting delivered so quick. Somebody who bought just 3 days ago on a Wednesday, he said his estimated delivery was like 1 or 2 months, and then Tesla notified him 2 days later on Friday that his car was ready for pickup. 2 days from the time of ordering to delivery. That's crazy. So just goes to show Performance Model 3s are getting delivered quick. And the point of that is you get to take full advantage of the 2018 tax incentive, which is $7,500 on an electric car. So the fact that you get it really quick by 2018 means you're locked in for that. Whereas the other Model 3s, they're being delayed and you're probably not going to get them by 2018, especially the $35,000 Model 3. You're no shot at getting that by 2018. So you're missing out on that $7,500 value. So you get the free supercharging value, which is 10, 20 grand, whatever, plus the $7,500 value since you'll get it by end of 2018. And it is a no-brainer. So tell your friends, tell your family, 36 hours remaining, and I appreciate everyone who has used our referral code so far. Remember, if you do or somebody you know who you referred uses ours, then we'll let you guys drive our brand new 2020 Tesla Roadster when it comes. Yes, I said drive the car, not ride along. You get to drive it, the fastest car in the world it will be. So as a way of saying thank you for using our referral code. So much appreciated, guys. But anyway, new car talk. So we've been looking out for the perfect kind of Lamborghini replacement, just our next supercar to add to the channel, our next project, something we can do a lot of mods to, make some really cool videos. And we found the perfect car. So I'll be dropping 3 hints about the new car right now in this video, but if you guys want hints 4 and 5 or the next few hints, be sure to follow our Instagram page, JR Garage. I'll be revealing those in the next couple days, and I'll be picking 1 or 2 winners from the Instagram page. So follow the page, drop your guesses, and hey, you may just win a prize over there. So anyway, hint number 1. Everyone loves talking about prices, values of the cars, etc. So this car was extremely expensive, far from cheap, with a sticker price when it was brand new. No, it is not brand new when we bought it, but when it was brand new, the sticker price was over $300,000. So it gives you the magnitude how expensive this car was originally. Now again, like our Lamborghini was a sticker price of the high 200s, like $275,000. The Ferrari 430 was like $225,000. Bentley was $175,000. So this being over $300,000 with options gives you an idea. All right guys, hint number 2. You all love talking about speed, performance, especially top speed. Well, this car can do a top speed in excess of 200 miles per hour. Again, the Ferrari like 190, Viper 185, Bentley 195. This is our first car that will break the 200 mark, because I think the Lamborghini is like 198 or 199, maybe 200. This will be over 200. So that's hint number 2. Now your last and final hint, number 3. Once again, a first for our collection, the doors. Yes, the doors do not open normally. What does that mean, JR?
Whose doors open like this. Not like this, not like this. These are not the doors of a billionaire, Richard.
They may open up, sideways, forward, I don't know. They just don't swing open normally, okay? That's all I'm gonna say for that. So guys, there are your 3 hints. I don't wanna reveal too much, but I think from that, a lot of you guys can probably figure out what the new car is, or at least come pretty close. So comment down below, more of the guesses the better. Just throw them all in there and I'll pick 3 of the correct guesses for free JR Garage merch, something like that. We'll make it a fun prize, or if you're in the area, maybe a ride along in the car, whatever you want to do. And like I said, for a couple more hints, follow our Instagram page at JR Garage. Let's build that up. We're always posting fun behind the scenes content, so you're not going to want to miss out on that. Speaking of giveaways, the JR Aviation channel, if you guys haven't subscribed already, you're going to want to do that. It'll be the first link in the description below. So the giveaway we're doing for that channel is absolutely nuts. Number 1 prize winner, you and a friend will be invited out to our place, and then we will all together go on a private jet together. Yes, private jet together. Number 2 prize, GoPro, iPad, JR Garage merch, shout outs. Like, we went all out for this giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed to the new channel yet, go ahead and subscribe, drop a comment. That's all you need to do. It's free to enter. It's like a no-brainer, and you may just win a flight out to us and a private jet ride. Like, you can't lose with that. So those giveaway winners will be announced in 3 videos on the JR Aviation channel. So I have 2 coming up this week, but by next week, the 3rd video will be out announcing the winners. So you're not going to want to miss that. Like I said, guys, with the Tesla stuff, let any friends, family know, or if you're thinking about ordering, you're going to want to do it within the next 36 hours to save a lot of money. So guys, that's all I have for you today. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment down below, like I said. Follow us on Instagram, and we will see you guys. Wait, hold on. All right, one last pull in the C63 AMG. Let's go. Jeez. All right, see you guys.